This standard is ARCH.7.EE.B.4.A.7.5c. The learning target is I can graph one-step, two-step, and multi-step inequalities. Before graphing, remember to reverse the inequality symbol if multiplying or dividing by a negative number. So for example, this equation, negative 3x plus 2 is less than 11. So we still want to isolate the x so that we can locate it on a graph. So we want to first of all eliminate the 2. So we use the opposite operation. Use opposite operation. So the opposite of add is subtract. So we have the plus 2 and we take it away. So we're taking it away also on this side of the inequality. We eliminated the 2, so we're left with a negative 3x is less than, and then 11 minus 2 equals 9. Now we're getting ready to divide by a negative. So when we do that, we have to reverse the inequality symbol to keep it a true statement. So we divide this side also by negative 3. Dividing by the same number dissolves us into the number 1. So we're left with 1x, or x, is greater than, and then 9 divided by negative 3 is negative 3. So now you can graph x is greater than negative 3 on a number line. Even if you just sketch it, 1, 2, 3, negative 3. If x is greater than that, you're going to open circle because it's not equal to 3. And you're going to darken that line, which indicates the solution set for this problem. In the next example, Donna wants to earn at least $10 from babysitting. So you can use D instead of X. And at least means she wants to earn $10 or more. So this little line allows you to include 10 in the solution set. So when you draw or graph, draw a number line to graph the solution set. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 here. You're going to darken in the circle to include the 10, and then all the numbers also greater than 10 are included in the solution set. And the last example, Mike buys one fishing rod for $32, one bucket for $4, fishing hooks for $12. How much can he spend on bait if he has $60? So you add the $32 for the fishing rod, the bucket is $4, the fishing hooks are $12, plus B is the amount he can spend on bait, and all of that must be less than or equal to 60 because he has $60, but he can't spend more than that. So these digits added up to 48, plus B is less than or equal to 60. We're going to subtract the 48 from both sides of the inequality, which leaves us with B is less than 60 minus 48. B is less than or equal to 12. So when you graph that on the number line, again, a simple sketch can show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're going to darken in the circle at 12 because he can spend $12, or he can spend less than that all the way to 0. Beyond that, it doesn't make sense to spend less than $0. but we draw the infinity symbol. Practically, it wouldn't make sense, but these numbers are included in the solution set. 0 through $12 would be your solution. Here's an example where if you're given something like x is greater than -3, you're going to create a number line and you're going to open circle where the -3 is, and x is greater than that. So it does not include -3, but it includes all the numbers to the right. In this example, d is greater than or equal to 10. You're going to draw your number line and darken in a circle at 10 and include all the numbers to the right to infinity. b is less than or equal to 12. Because of this line, it can be equal to 12, which means you darken in the circle and your arrow goes this way. Remember that the arrow reminds you that there are many possible solutions. And that's the end of this tutorial.